Hello, hello, good morning all. Yeah, this is Maria Stephen. So yeah, now I brought that slide. So I am going to tell about you that the difference of thinking and what made uh, peoples to stand out from crowd. So this is a slide that I'm going to share it to you all. So it will be really makes very happy and curious if you stay with that at the end of videos. Okay, friends. Yeah, let's we go. Let's we get it. So first slide we are seeing that say yeah, a child boy is there and the magic thing big. Okay, so we have a responsibility as our youngsters and our parents and our teachers. We are having a responsibility to taught students and the students and babies and small children. We have to tell them to think and dream big because nothing will comes easily. We have to be dream. So dream is very matter. We don't have to say if you study for then you will become very successful, you can do anything. Don't say like that. Instead of saying if you study well, you can stand as a pillar of this nation, you can change this nation, you can help many people who are striving and starving for a daily basis and needs. Who are the people fighting for justice? You can support them if you study there a lot and you make your study to turn to helping this society. So that we have to be like we have to show them to make them to learn what's that important. So that's what we saying. Think big. We have to be said to students. So be think as a dream big. Okay, so this is a slide. Everything is prepared by Andreas von der Heydorf. So thank you sir for this. So yes, he's that one of the person done this. So okay, let's we get into the next. So live your dreams. So yes, we are the children and students. We dream a lot. We dream big. So first everything is begins from dreams. We have to be dream like that. So I just want to be like a Indian prime minister. I just want to be like a Indian administrative servicer. So DSP, superintendent or teacher or astronaut or scientist, doctor, surgeon, nurse. So I become an entrepreneur, politics, businessman, IT sectors, or uh, I have to make a um, I have to be like uh, a inventor, scientist, or data analyst. So whatever you may want, but that everything is required. Yeah, first of all, is a dream. Yes. So this is a slide we are telling to that live your dreams. Start to live your dreams. You don't expect the day to come. Okay. First, you just think that you are in your present just what you want to. So this is you want to become something, just go to like that, uh, dream and live like a what is it that you're dreaming after a 5 years that you're going to live that same. Why do you are keep inferring and bothering to live now? Okay, so just think it like what do you want to be to live or to dream and to become. So just act like as now. Okay, this is a slide that I'm going to. So next let's we go. Take time and to dream think. So yeah, this is a day, this is a society we having that issue of no one is having a time. Everyone is running for that something always. I said in a day 24 hours in our mind, thousands of thoughts running at any time. I say at any time we are not still be with as it is like a mind. We don't have like a thoughts every time just thinking. Now we are thinking something that we are keep thinking. The thinking is like a thoughts. Okay, that thoughts are most of the thoughts are not needed, but that thoughts are keep running in your mind. So what does we have to do? What does that we have to do? Because there is a problem here that we should know. So that I am saying that so first know the difference between thoughts and thinking. Okay, thoughts, we just think it's a that's a thought. We are aspecting that's a good thought and bad thought, but thought is basically it's a thought. We are making that is a good and bad based upon the place, time, and that something. Okay, so I just saying do a meditation uh, and just think it like that you can do. So and just spend the time to think. Okay, so no that we should know what is the difference between and the thinking and thoughts. Okay, it will be run. So we have to be we have to make that our mind. So by practicing it is possible. You, yeah, my kind advice is do meditation. It will really helpful to have a good thinking and mind. Yes, get into the next slide. Believe in you, yes, and your ideas. It is a very very matter. So before getting to your idea, first I said you to what are the things that does happen in your real time or in your real day. First think it, that's all are that's all are happening. So that's all are not happening without our without 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 our supports or without our knowledge, because everything will be happen is a consequences of what we are doing. If that's all be what we are doing, that is a based upon, depends upon that consequences, everything what we are doing. We will get a good marks, we will get a good grades, we will get a good sweets from our parents, we will get a good appreciations, compliments from our teachers, parents. That's all our consecutions. That means that we are putting our efforts on that line on the ground, and we are something working. So there is what that like a difference. Did you got it? So this is like, first I said I'm nowadays students are many of them lacking of belief. So they are believing others, but they are being like a not believing them. There is a first and foremost mistake that is all the children are committing in nowadays. So I'm highly appreciating, I'm highly asking to that every young minded students and every young minded peoples to first believe you. Okay, let them to believe them. Okay, let ask you first, you believe yourself, man, then you came. So we have to believe is very important. So just remembering. So next to the slide. Think, think feel, behave and act positively. Yeah, this is I am just to tell you about what is this the meaning of this content is. First we are, I said that already. So first you have a dream of something, so that you are thinking, that's all the steps have gone through. Then after, what do you are thinking, what that like a start, live a day, live a second, live every moments, because these moments are will never come back. You just been like that on the present of the moment, it just been act like that. Always be on the moment. Let listen from others and make that too as a live. So if you want to be a leader, then act like a leader. You don't want to be that someone have to give a designation to designation, that all the proper promotions, then you have to be, just first act like it, then you will be get all everything. Okay, first you have to be make yourself as deserving candidate before getting that promotion, before getting that something offers. Okay, make it like, then you can easily do it. Yeah student, yeah friends, let's we get into the next slide. Be bold and brave. Yes, 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 this is a very very kind thing and matter. Even I to be sometimes be may not be brave, because a kind of physique I thought. But I said you to be brave and bold, because this is very very important for even a girls and boys, because boys is I'm highly asking to that girls should be have this traits and qualities of bold and brave. Girls are be like a fire, because girls are much needed in current society to perform all the sectors and all the industries, all the supports. Because when women's equally get into that, I know there is not a beliefs or trust or hope. Women's and men's and women's are always equal, there is no changes in on that. But I am asking that women's are should come and fight with all the odds of survival, even a men or women. So they have to be stands like, I can. That is a word or mantra should repeated, they should chant within them again and again to become a bold and brave. So I'm highly asking that person, one who be bold and brave, they can easily outrageous, they can easily, we can outnumber from that crowds. Okay, always be bold and brave. Yes, get into the next slide. Yeah, get on your feet again after each failure. Yes, it is a very very important thing. When we have a courage, everything bold thing, dreaming, everything we have, then we are give our attempt to success. But I most of the time when at that first moment and the spontaneous moment that we are giving an efforts, most of the time 99% it will be get a failures only, because we don't know about that much, what that qualities that we need, what that stuffs we should know. There is like a some lacking at will be happen at the beginning of the stage. But this is a place your vigor and determination, this should play a high value. So we have, you have that much, so you have that will, you have the will to, okay, I will just give again one more chance, one more time I'm going to give a try. That curious, that enthusiasm should you have. So you don't have to be, you don't like slow, you should in this time you should be more faster and more grasping quality, and make yourself as to be good. So this is a very very important to get on your feet, because when we are failing again, there is a crowd and your friends might not your parents and teachers, but your friends and your social medias, everyone can criticize you, may told about you, you don't do nothing, you'll be a failure. So might the words you can listen, but I'm setting you to get on your feet first. Okay, yes, failure is a part of failure is a continuous failure is a steps of reaching a success. I'm just asking, if you failure, then failure. If you try to be score a first rank in your classroom, maybe you know there's a 10-15 students already give a competition for their first rank, means definitely I said there's a 1/15 of probability to you become a first rank student. So always try to be a first, be try to be best. Okay, give your best. And in this part I'm just saying failure is a part of, okay, the failure means you have to be again should wake up and again give a try. This is a matter of words. So let's get into the next slide. Yeah, erase the word problem from your vocabulary. Yeah. So this is a word always. So I'm just go with a real-time example. So when you have a problem something on that, there is a problem in project that you're doing, that your company you are commit with any projects, there is a deadline is coming came on. If you are a student, you have to be do assignments, assessments, and prepare for a test for a tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. There is like a something we have a deadlines to do that. So at the time we are looking for a problems, yeah, that's a problem. If we are looking for, we don't have any solution for that. Other rather than that, we should know, we should have a calculative mind to perform and finding the solution for that problem in a very easy way, very effective way. Yeah, that's a lot matter to make it as a possible. So this is a slide that we are presenting is that, so problems are a part of that. If problems is happening, we have to find the solution. So be like that, have a drive like that to finding the solution for that. Yeah, think outside of the box. This is a very very toughest quality to have, because in our nowadays education system is never let allow students to think like that. Because why I'm saying, let's give me a second. Why I'm saying means, because in our all the academics performance are based upon that they are setting some goals. Okay, they are setting some points. This is a point, if you reach your success, this is a point. They are all defined, this is a point, this is a point, everything is defined at that defined spots. When you're there and fighting for that and looking for, and you be like a different, there is no one is going to accept you, because everyone will starts on that point and they just run on to achieve a point. They are only looking for that, because the education system not give time to think students. And they are just looking for, this is a portion, this is syllabus, just go and learn and score a good marks. Even though we don't care about you are memorizing or really understood. We need a paper presentation, it's all good, and the points are good, points are all written is a good handwriting, good everything, then we will provide a mark. There is nothing, they wouldn't say like that. So I just saying you to, so always think outside of the box. It's a very mandatory quality to become a very highly successful. It is not about successful, very highly you have to be create your history. Okay. Yes, we are all human beings having an, yeah, single paper of single paper in a history books. Okay, that we having the only potential to write that all the history about us, or tear and throw it off. There is all something that we have within only. So I'm just saying think outside of the box, it will be definitely helpful to be a very good. So this is a second, this is the next slide. Surround yourself with a like-minded beliefs. Okay, so this is a word itself says like-minded. So you might be one human being with another, maybe many differences. One can racism, sex, or colors, understanding, and thoughts. Everything will be differ from person to person. So that means some persons we may get easily join with them, easily get in with them. There is a wavelength, they will match it easily. But my some peoples are like a very different. We see, oh, this is like a human being I never seen in my life. Like also some, so we will told, because there is a as much of learnings is there, as many things as of learning is there. So we never let learn everything, but we can learn something is good. Okay, so keep learning is very matter, and always run behind the knowledge, not rather than salaries will never let help you. So this is matter. And I'm saying like-minded peoples means who are like as you thinking. You are now a I just give example that you are like a creative thinker. You have to do something like something courage to do something different apart from that crowds. So you can just try. But I'm saying a lot of the time you like a misunderstood by many of them. You others would think, others would thought you as a foolish or stupid, maybe might be it will happens. So but you don't have to bother. So that like there is a time your friends also thought it like that. So that's time you need a good like-minded people. When you have a like-minded people, you don't have a bother of others. Otherwise it will lead to your depression or tension, something so hectic. Yeah, there is also something will leads. Okay, so that's why I'm saying like-minded people are always appreciable. Yeah, treat others with a respect. Yeah, this is a quality I'm finding nowadays from a students in generations. Many of them lacking. Even the elders even don't know what is meant of respecting. There is like a conversation is going. They one ditching other one is disrespecting his everyone of in his family members. It's like has been going when I seen many of the things, as many of the stuffs has been happening. So I just saying to treat others with a respect is matter. Even though you don't like that person, you just give a respect to him. Yes, because that you are disrespecting is not like disrespecting him, you are disrespecting his soul. Okay, we are all human beings. Yes, we are all human beings, but we are all having a set in a difference of bodies. Okay, bodies is like a tissue, blood vessel, blood and bones. Yeah, we are all constructed like that. But I'm saying your body is not that matter. The matter is your soul. Your soul is the, you are a control of your body. What you have given the controllers to your body, that will act like on. Okay, so yeah, you can give a, you can, this is a human being. We have a exception to give a exception to react all the things happen in our nature. This is all kind of like a very complex of understanding. So we should need a very grateful mind to understand this all. So I'm just saying simply respect the mothers. You don't like, just leave them, but just left them. But don't disrespect or don't ditch them, or don't backside speaking. So this is all is not appreciable qualities. So I'm just saying, so treat others with a respect. It's like a very good. Try to you live as a life as a good one. Okay, and get into the next slide. Yeah, be prepared to be misunderstood for a long time, because many of the people are don't like that what you are doing, because many of them not having a quality of what will happen next. Some peoples are like leaders, they are born like leaders, they don't know. Some like born like leaders, their grow up qualities like that. Some are not like that, they are built themselves like that, because they are went through all the environment, grasping all the qualities what that people are doing, what are the activities they are taking, why they are doing like this. There is a multiples of dimensions when we are start thinking. It will be given, just give me a second. Yeah, it will be given best of things and knowledges to who know what is happening. Yes, this is a very important. So be prepared to be misunderstood for a long time. So it's also be a chance for many times. Okay, if you do something, they really know, because they don't have a long term goals, long term visions, they don't have. So they've been like always, they may always criticize you, scold you, or cheat you. That will happens when you start to get a good good feedback and suggestions from others, it will automatically will change. So they need a many much time. So instead of you focusing on them and explain them what you are doing, it's all like a waste of time. You just go with your works and be like a 2 times 3 times faster, hell like a work, and you can make it changes. Yes. Yes, let's get on the next slide. Break down your vision into ambitious goals. Yes, it is a must matter to we are all having a we are must have ambitious goals. I don't say it's ambitious goals. It's a mandatory to have a ambitious goal is a rule. We should brought in a rule of Constitution of India, because many of them lacking of setting for their dreams. This is a one big thing. I'm very I'm very thinking as a bad about this kind of this generation people. Very few only have taught to be have a big dreams. Many of the children are came from very tougher times in what is that, rural areas. They are looking very, even they are urging for requesting for their daily needs. So we are not able to do. So we have a dreams to be like that, to satisfy them. And even though they have to live like what that we are living now. So in the city peoples we are living as a goat and a concrete jungle. So they also have to be given a good life. They are capable, so we should do. So I in this slide we are setting to that, break down your all the goals. Yes, it is a matter. Break down all the goals as it can be easily helpful to you to make yourselves as good. So break down all your goals as ambitious goals. Make it as to set off this is a calculative. Let's take a paper and write down what are the things as this is my goal, so that I have to do in this age, that I have to do in this age, that I have to do in this time, that I have to do. All the prepared blueprint is should needed to make up ambitious goal to become a realized and possible. Yeah, this is the one. Next, get into the next slide. So the magic of think big. The magic of think big. Yeah. So this is all what we are seeing. This is one slide. So I just asking to take a screenshot. It will never it will definitely will help you. So dreams take time to think, believe you, and always be positive with you, with and act like always bold and brave. When failures comes, don't be think that I can't. Instead thinking that this is my first attempt, I can do it by a second attempt. That like a curious and enthusiasm drive should need, and erase that I can't, and have a vocabulary, add the vocabularies that I can, and think outside of the box. It's a very matter to be do a very most inventions and developments in India. It's very matter. Yeah, like-minded peoples to have like as a friends who like you, even though you are wrong. People who likes you, that like a peoples, and respect is matter. And ready for that misunderstood by others for a long time. So yeah, break down your problems. It's break down your all the goals into that practically possible, like a day by day. So yeah, you just like a dripping a water to your plants, and a day by day it will at that the some years after it will turn to be a big tree. So this is the meaning of that. So yeah, this is a person. He's that one done this slide. He is really helpful. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Andreas Wonder. Heard that. So it's like a big name. So you can follow him in SlideShare, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube also he having. So you just can check it out. If you want, you can just go and check. I just thanking for him to share this slide in SlideShare. Yeah, he having a book of find out more about thinking big and leadership. So this book is written by him. So if you want, you can do it. So yeah, this is a slide is enough. Yes, thank you for your all patience and listening to this all. So I'm just asking you are listen to now. So just give me some tips or some feedbacks and suggestions, whatever that I'm really welcoming that you all. So because that I have to improve myself. Okay, this is all be like a do to make my something as good. So just let me know that in comment box if I do any mistakes or any of any of improvements that I need. Just kindly give me in a comment box. I'll be really appreciating that. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you. Yeah, thank you.